In an earlier video, I spoke about the structure of the CXC syllabus, different sections. Now here we are going to focus on section 1 and the format of the examination. Now the CXC math exam consists of 3 papers. Paper 101, it's an objective type paper. Paper 02, structured on paper 1, deals with 60 multiple choice questions drawn from all sections of the syllabus, and the exam lasts for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Paper 2 consists of 10 compulsory structured questions, and it lasts for 2 hours 40 minutes. Then there's paper 031 and 032, and we'll deal with that in a subsequent video, but they deal with the school-based assessment. Paper 031 deals with the school-based assessment, or paper 032, the alternative to paper 031. Now paper 1 consists of 60 multiple choice questions. For example, in section 1, deals with number theory, computation, and so on. And that section, number theory and computation, covers 6 items. Consumer arithmetic deals with 8 items. Excuse me, it carries 6 marks and 4 marks respectively. In a subsequent video, we look at section 3 and 5 and the rest of the section. Now we look at paper 2 in a subsequent video. Now the thing to note is what knowledge, understanding, and reasoning is being tested by the examination papers. In each paper, items and questions will be classified according to the kind of cognitive demand made. Excuse. For example, paper 1 requires the questions test your knowledge, and it requires you to recall the rules, procedures, definitions, and facts, and simple operations and constructions. It tests also your understanding or comprehension, and that requires you to use algorithmic thinking. That is a structured approach to thinking that you can apply to solving problems, and that will enable you to translate from one mathematical mode to another, because there are different mathematical modes, for example, and operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now the questions also test your ability to apply those methods of thinking to different problem situations. It also tests your ability to reason, and reasoning requires you to, for example, translate verbal problems into mathematical symbols and expressions, and choosing the correct method of solving or applying those or solving those problems. Reasoning also involves combining 2 or more methods of problem solving or algorithms to solve problems. It also requires you to use an algorithm or a method or part of an algorithm to solve a problem. You'll be expected to make inferences and generalizations from data that's given to you in the problem, and you must be able to justify results or any statement you arrive at, and analyze and synthesize solutions. So each exam will test your knowledge, your comprehension, and reasoning. These images will help you to make an association. When you see this search icon, you're searching for information, knowledge, comprehension is a planned program, and so on, problem solving, reasoning, and so on. Now, all these profiles is called this knowledge, comprehension, and reasoning profile. You get marks according to how much knowledge you display, how much understanding, and how much reasoning. Now, this applies to all of the sections. All of the sections. So, paper one especially tests your knowledge, your ability to recall rules and procedures, definitions, facts, and simple operations. In a subsequent video, we'll look more at these sections here.